Welcome everybody to another stash update. It's the week before the big day. Just gonna start it off. Got Finders Keepers, Wicked Witch, Sith, Cytherean's Coco, that's all noise, no color. Trap, if you know, you know. Monkey Business, that's a nice one. Picked up another Nazgul. Picked up another Peter Vincent. So now I got, I think, 4 Peter Vincents now and 2 Nazguls. Got that Green Lantern, you already know what time it is. Picked up 2 more Hammered Ups. Now I got 4 Hammered Ups. Picked up a Maga. Sidekick too. Picked up this Maga. Picked up Missile Defense. I picked up 3 Skies. 3 Skies. And I picked up 2 more Jungles. And I picked up 2 more Devils. So I picked up Devils, Jungles, Skies, Missile Defense. It's a little pickup. It's a little light pickup, man. I might do 1 more, and that's it though. But I'm about to start fusing stuff up. Well, I already started though, but I just gotta keep on going, man. But my work schedule is kind of crazy, so it's just limiting me to a lot of things right now. But yeah, this is all I got right here to add on to the stash. V8 Power out.